How to get rid of a hard pimple. The skin is the largest organ of your body and performs a number of very important functions. Acne is a common condition that plagues the skin. Hard pimples are pimples that are hard to the touch, under the skin, and often associated with cystic acne. 1. If you have a hard pimple, learn how to get rid of it. Treating hard pimples with home remedies. Use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is one of the most popular. It has antiseptic, antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. You can apply tea tree oil directly onto the hard pimples, or you can dilute it in a non-comedogenic oil, such as mineral oil, argan oil, or olive oil. Put some tea tree oil on a cotton ball or a Q-tip and apply directly to the deep pimple. If you have a sensitivity to tea tree oil, use a carrier oil. Tea tree oil has been shown to be just as helpful as benzoyl peroxide in treating acne. Be careful not to get any tea tree oil near your eyes. Always test for sensitivity to essential oils. Put a single drop of the oil on your wrist and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. If there is no irritation, you should be able to use the oil. Try green tea. Green tea has a lot of properties to help treat acne. It is anti-inflammatory and has been shown to help reduce oil production. Soak green tea bags in warm water and apply them directly to the hard pimple. The tea will act as an astringent to draw out the pimple and help reduce inflammation. You can also use the brewed tea on your face. Put some on a cotton ball to spot treat the hard pimple. 5. Use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help reduce the size and heal hard pimples. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and antiseptic properties. You can use it to spot treat pimples or make a toner with it. To spot treat, pour some apple cider vinegar on a cotton ball or a Q-tip. Apply it directly to the hard pimple. To make a toner, combine 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar with 1/2 cup of water. Wipe the mixture over the affected area with a cotton ball. Let it dry and do not rinse it off. Make a mask. Herbal masks can help the skin heal while reducing the size of hard pimples. Astringent herbs tighten the skin while the antibacterial herbs help kill off bacteria. This oil can be made with things in your kitchen, and you can add essential oils if you wish. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 egg white, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Honey has antibacterial and healing properties. 7. Since lemon juice is a bleaching and whitening agent, you can substitute witch hazel if you don't want to use lemon juice. 8. Add 1/2 teaspoon of either peppermint, spearmint, lavender, calendula, or thyme oil. Spread the mixture over your face or wherever else you have a problem. If you want, use a Q-tip to spread the mixture over specific problem areas. Allow the mixture to dry for 15 minutes. Then rinse off completely with lukewarm water. Pat dry with a clean towel and apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Make a natural exfoliant. Exfoliation is often not recommended by many skin specialists because skin cells fall off naturally. Exfoliation can cause scarring and it can often make acne worse. However, if the hard pimple comes to a head, you can use a very gentle exfoliation technique. Gently exfoliating the skin around hard pimples can help remove any embedded hair, sebum, and cell debris and can accelerate healing. Try the following natural exfoliants that you can make yourself. When using a homemade exfoliant, apply it to your face or affected areas in gentle, circular motions. You can also use a Q-tip or cotton ball to apply to smaller areas. Gently work the mixture into the area for 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. Make a honey baking soda exfoliant by mixing 1/4 cup of honey with enough baking soda to make a paste. For an oatmeal exfoliant, grind 1/4 to 1/2 cup of rolled whole oats in a food processor or coffee grinder. Add enough olive, jojoba, vitamin E, avocado, or almond oil to make a paste. To make a sugar olive oil exfoliant, mix a teaspoon of sugar with 1/2 cup of olive oil. You can also use castor, jojoba, vitamin E, avocado, or almond oil. Make a sea salt exfoliant by putting 1 to 2 teaspoons of sea salt in enough olive, jojoba, vitamin E, avocado, or almond oil to make a paste. Adjust your diet. For some people, processed sugars and dairy products may cause acne. These foods may lead to inflammation and encourage bacteria to grow. Studies have shown low glycemic index, or low sugar, foods can reduce acne. Consider eliminating sugary soft drinks from your diet. Also reduce the amount of foods you eat with processed sugar, like candy, donuts, baked goods, and other similar foods. Consider switching dairy products and fatty foods for more vegetables in your diet. Eating more low-GI foods may help you reduce your acne. These foods include rolled oats and bran cereals, whole wheat and whole grain breads, vegetables, except beets, pumpkin, and parsnips, nuts, fruits aside from watermelon and dates, legumes, yogurt, and brown rice, barley, and whole grain pasta. 11. Eat more skin-friendly nutrients. Vitamins A and D are the most important vitamins for overall skin health. Vitamin A-rich foods include spinach, carrots, broccoli, red peppers, sweet potatoes, and summer squash. Fruits that contain vitamin A include mangoes, cantaloupe, and apricots. Legumes are a good source of vitamin A, as well as meat and fish, such as herring and salmon. 14. The best way to get vitamin D is to go out into the sun for 10 to 15 minutes in the morning or late afternoon a few times a week. 15. Foods with high levels of vitamin D include fish like salmon and tuna, along with cod liver oil. Vitamin D is also found in dairy, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese. 16. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in nuts and seeds, such as flax seeds, flaxseed oil, chia seeds, butternuts, and walnuts. Other great sources for omega-3s are salmon, sardines, mackerel, and whitefish. Vegetables like spinach and Chinese broccoli also contain omega-3s. 17. Avoid irritants that make pimples worse. Even if you take proper care of your skin, there are certain things that will make pimples worse. Excessive sweating can make hard pimples worse, as can tight clothing. Makeup or cosmetics on or even near your skin can make hard pimples worse. Makeup can clog pores or cause irritation. Some facial or body cleansers can further irritate and inflame the skin due to the chemicals or the mixtures of chemicals used. Cosmetics with alcohol can dry and irritate your skin. For some people, certain foods, such as dairy products and diets high in processed sugars, increase the risk for acne by increasing inflammation and providing an environment where bacteria can flourish.